Hello again. If you love woodworking and decor, today's wood project ideas is going to blow your mind. Today we will show you a collection of simple and stylish wooden laptop handlers design ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. In the realm of modern living spaces, the importance of functional yet aesthetically pleasing furniture cannot be overstated. One such piece that has gained traction in recent years is the wooden laptop handler. This simple yet stylish accessory serves not only as a practical solution for managing laptops, but also as a statement piece that enhances the overall decor of a contemporary home. The integration of wooden laptop handlers into modern living environments signifies a harmonious blend of utility, design, and the warmth of natural materials. Wooden laptop handlers are designed to provide a stable surface for laptops, allowing users to work comfortably from a variety of locations within the home. In an age where remote work and flexible living arrangements have become the norm, having a designated place to set up a laptop can greatly enhance productivity. The ergonomic benefits of using a laptop handler are significant. It raises the laptop to eye level, promoting better posture and reducing strain on the neck and back. This thoughtful design element reflects a growing awareness of the importance of health and well-being in our daily routines. Moreover, the visual appeal of wooden laptop handlers adds to their significance in modern living spaces. Wood as a material brings a sense of warmth and organic beauty that can soften the often sterile feel of contemporary decor. The natural grains and textures of wood create unique patterns, ensuring that each laptop handler is not just a functional item but also a work of art. This aesthetic value aligns beautifully with the principles of modern interior design, which embraces simplicity and the beauty of natural materials. Incorporating wooden laptop handlers into a living space also showcases an appreciation for craftsmanship and sustainability. As consumers become increasingly conscious of the environmental impact of their purchases, opting for wooden items made from sustainably sourced materials reflects a commitment to eco-friendly living. Handcrafted wooden furniture often embodies a level of quality and attention to detail that mass-produced items lack. This connection to craftsmanship adds depth to the piece, turning it into a cherished item rather than just a functional accessory. The versatility of wooden laptop handlers is another reason for their growing importance in modern homes. These pieces can seamlessly blend into various decor styles, from minimalist and Scandinavian to rustic and industrial. A sleek, polished wooden handler can complement a modern workspace, while a more textured, reclaimed wood option can add character to a cozy living room. This adaptability makes wooden laptop handlers an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their home's design without compromising on functionality. In addition to their practical uses, wooden laptop handlers can serve as decorative elements that encourage a more organized and intentional living environment. In a world where digital clutter often overwhelms physical spaces, having a designated area for a laptop can help establish boundaries and promote a sense of order. By creating a specific place for technology, individuals can cultivate a more focused and serene atmosphere in their homes. This intentional approach to organization not only enhances productivity but also fosters a sense of calm, allowing individuals to transition more easily between work and leisure. Are you loving this decor idea? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The rise of remote work has also shifted the way we think about our living spaces. Many people now find themselves working from various locations within their homes, whether it's the living room, bedroom, or even a cozy nook. Wooden laptop handlers provide the flexibility needed to adapt to these changing environments. They can be easily moved from one room to another, allowing users to create a comfortable workspace wherever they choose. This adaptability encourages a more dynamic approach to home life, where individuals can find inspiration and comfort in different settings. Furthermore, the tactile experience of using wooden laptop handlers adds another layer of enjoyment to the work process. The smooth surface of a well-crafted wooden handler can make typing and navigating a laptop more pleasant. This sensory connection to the material promotes a sense of mindfulness, encouraging users to be present in the moment as they work. In an increasingly digital world, where screens often dominate our attention, the natural feel of wood can serve as a grounding element that enhances our connection to our surroundings. For those who value aesthetics, wooden laptop handlers can be customized or styled to reflect personal tastes. Whether through unique finishes, stains, or integrated design features, these handlers can be tailored to fit seamlessly into any existing decor. This personal touch transforms a simple accessory into a statement piece that resonates with the owner's style. The ability to choose or modify a wooden laptop handler encourages creativity and self-expression, allowing individuals to curate their living spaces in a way that feels authentic to them. In addition to their aesthetic and practical benefits, wooden laptop handlers can foster a sense of community and shared experience. In homes where multiple people use laptops, having designated handlers can help create a more organized and harmonious environment. Family members can each have their own space for their laptops, promoting a sense of ownership and responsibility for their work areas. This arrangement can also facilitate collaboration and interaction, as individuals can easily move to different spaces within the home, fostering a more connected and engaged atmosphere. As we navigate the complexities of modern life, the importance of creating a balanced living space cannot be overlooked. Wooden laptop handlers exemplify the ideal balance of form and function, serving as essential tools for productivity while also enriching the aesthetic quality of our homes. They encourage a more intentional approach to how we interact with our environments, prompting us to consider how each piece of furniture contributes to our overall well-being. The significance of wooden laptop handlers in modern living spaces extends far beyond their functional role. They represent a thoughtful fusion of design, sustainability, and practicality that resonates with today's lifestyle. By embracing the charm of handcrafted wooden decor, individuals can transform their homes into spaces that are not only visually appealing but also conducive to productivity and well-being. In a world where the lines between work and home life increasingly blur, incorporating wooden laptop handlers offers a simple yet effective way to elevate our living environments, fostering a sense of order, creativity, and connection. Ultimately, these beautifully crafted pieces serve as reminders of the importance of quality, craftsmanship, and the enduring appeal of natural materials in our daily lives. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked simple and stylish wooden laptop handlers design ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.